Today I will show you how to send and receive crypto on the AssetStep wallet app. The mobile process is a bit different from the desktop version. So here let me show you what steps you will need to follow. First, open the app. You can send or receive any supported coin. So just make sure you're using the correct wallet for each coin. Then Bitcoin should only go to a Bitcoin wallet, for example. So here if you're using Ethereum, you must send it to an ETH wallet. Now let's try this with Bitcoin. Tap on it to open the BTC page. So this interface is basic but functional. Then you will see two buttons, left for send, right for receive. Now you need to tap the left one to send Bitcoin. So paste your destination address where prompted. Then I'll use my Binance wallet address for this example. So here copy that and go back to assert step. Now you need to paste it, then enter the amount to send. So you can toggle the currency to show value in USD. Then let's say you want to send 20 USD. So here the BTC equivalent will appear instantly. Now tap send to finalize the transfer. Then to receive crypto, tap the button on the right side. So you will see your QR code and wallet address. Now you need to use this to get crypto from another exchange or wallet.